Hello and welcome to Insider Week. My name is Max Schulz, and in this video I'm going to show you my trading plan for CUT1 trading strategy. This strategy I trade on CUT1 trading account and small startup account. Let's start with Cotmap. You see under markets new CUT signals. If we get CUT sell signal, the market has red color. If we get CUT buy signal, the market has green color. As you can see, we got 5 new CUT signals. 1 CUT sell signal in T bonds, 1 CUT buy signal in Japanese yen and Australian dollar, and 2 CUT signals in live cattle and feeder cattle. In the last section of Cotmap, you see the number, how old is a CUT signal. The measure is week. For example, new CUT signal is 1 week old. The old CUT signal in S&P 500, we got 3 weeks ago a buy signal based on CUT data and S&P 500 E-mini. I put on the watch list markets with new and old CUT signals. The market has to have special conditions. For example, trend structure, because CUT data is CUT signal is not a timing tool. It shows us that fundamental data are bullish or bearish. But the right timing we have to find by using technical analysis and entry patterns. End of the day, I put on the watch list markets with best risk and reward ratios for the next trading week. As you can see, for the next trading week, I have on the buy side Australian dollar, soybeans and gasoline, and of the sell side I have 10 years T-notes. Let's have a look at all these markets. I start with weekly chart. On the weekly chart, you can see here buy and sell signals. All these signals were based on CUT data analysis from CUT report, Commitment of Traders report. Second, I have to know in which direction we have CUT signal. As you can see, we got a buy signal against the weekly trend. Signals in weekly trend direction is much easier to trade as against the weekly trend. And here we have a signal against weekly trend. Next step, I analyze seasonality. The market follows seasonality. We had strength in seasonality. The market was also strong. For next several weeks, we see some weakness in seasonality chart. Maybe we will see a correction based on this. End of the month, we will see strong seasonal trend again. Maybe we will see some correction, and after that, trend continues to the upside. Next step, I analyze the trend structure. As you can see, we have here a low. Then the market in the last 2 weeks was strong. What I want to see now is a small correction and higher low. After a higher low, I would search in this market for a long entry pattern. This is my plan for Australian dollar. Next market, 30 years T bonds. Based on CUT data analysis, we got here a sell signal in weekly trend direction. Usually these signals are very strong because we have fundamental situation for lower prices and we have strong weekly upward trend. This is a very good combination. 30 years bonds or 10 years nuts, these both markets are correlated with each other. If we want to trade this market short, we have to compare this both market and trade the weakest one. For long trades, the opposite. Let's have a look at the seasonal. As you can see, the market doesn't follow the seasonal trend. It means we can skip the seasonal trend. Next step, daily chart and trend structure on daily chart. As you can see, the market is in a upward trend. We got an entry pattern here, and I decide to trade this market on startup account. This is a small account because the stop is here only $578. It fits the risk and money management on a small startup account. My entry is on low of Friday, -1 tick. My stop is on high of Thursday, +1 tick. The risk is here $578 per contract or per lot. And my price target is the range of the previous bar projected to 100% to the downside. This is my first trade for Monday. We have also an open position on startup account in Mexican peso. This is very good case for trading against COT data or against commercials. So there is some certain situation you can trade against commercials, and as you can see based on this trade, it could be very profitable. The correction from Thursday allowed us to set a new price target and to move our stop on low of Thursday -1 tick. Next market, gasoline. This is a range market. Usually COT signals can help you to see the start and the end of the range. As you can see, we got two buy signals on the same price. It means we have here the end of the range or the low side of the range. The market pulled back from this price and increased week by week. Let's have a look at seasonals. As you can see, the price followed the seasonals. For the next several weeks, we see some downward trend in seasonals. But if you take a look at spreads, you can see very bullish spread, very strong spread. Also, the analyzing of daily trend shows that we are in a upward trend on daily chart. So we have already entry pattern in this market. We decided to trade this market long. You will find all this information, which month, which contract here in this picture. Also the entry price, the stop loss price and the price target, all this information you see on this picture. I would risk only 1% of my COT1 trading account. I know I mentioned that I increased the risk from 1% to 2%, but we have here very small range for a stop loss, and therefore we have to adjust the risk. The stop loss per contract is $4,149. This is my next trade for Monday. Next market, soybeans. Also, this market is a range market. As you can see, we got two buy signals on same price level. The market pulled back from this price level until the resistance based on COT signals. We have enough space. As you can see, the market doesn't follow the seasonality trend, so therefore we can skip the seasonality. So let's have a look at spread. Spread is very strong here. And on the next step, let's analyze the daily chart. The trend tried to change from downward trend to upward trend. Therefore, we have to wait until correction. And after this correction, we have confirmation what we need to say. So we have here real trend change and we are ready to risk our money in this market. That's it for today. As you can see, the watch list is very short. The reason is the last weeks were very profitable. I have all-time high on my trading account. It means I need some break for my emotionals. I have to be sure that I am not greedy. I am in my balance. I can analyze the market without emotionals, because this is very important for successful trading. What I do now is I manage my emotionals to be able to trade in my best conditions. Many newbie traders say emotional management is not so important. I'm a tough guy. I can handle emotionals. But my experience shows me that this is a very important part of trading. You can observe your emotionals when you are in the trade. When your trade is open, you can learn yourself. Start as soon as possible to observe your emotionals and learn how to manage your emotionals to stay in the best trading conditions all the time. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for your attention. Don't forget, we have on Thursday a webinar. There I will share the trading opportunities for current month. Please don't miss this webinar. I would be happy to see you there. Best wishes from Cyprus, your Max Schulz.